Yo, hello guys, it's Switch here with another lesson on Midjourney. It's going to be lesson number 14, fine-tune and customize. But before we are going to proceed, yes, I will talk a little bit about the TOYGERS app. Like super briefly, super short, just simply because there's going to be loads of news on the channel. So why I'm talking about this all the time? Just simply because this is the one and only application where you playing, you getting points, and those points you can redeem for stuff. And this app is going to be sort of like Amazon with gadgets. So you are going to be able to use your points to get jewelry, clothes, like hoodies, hats, other toys. I'm just talking right now from the top of my head what I read on the X and also on the Telegram. It's going to be some decent gloves. I don't know what kind of gloves, and are going to be candle sets. So that's what I know so far. Other thing which is like super exciting, or I'm super excited, I suppose to say, was so super exciting. We are able to unlock our own toy builder. So as you can see over there, I'm unlocking the toy builder. After 20 days, you are going to have your own toy builder. Currently, even if you unlock the toy builder, we are not really able to build toys yet, but we will be. On top of that, you are going to be granted with 10,000 points on daily basis just because you unlocking that. That means you don't need to do anything to basically grind points. Basically, you will just receive the points. And then, when they're going to announce what there are rules to build the toy, I will let you know, guys, because the idea is basically to build your own toy. I just want to build my own toy within the TOYGERS app, so I can promote my brand and I can basically build my own toy, and I can also buy this toy and put on the shelf, and that's gonna be like my baby, because I genuinely believe like everybody's supposed to start building the brand around this company, because you will basically get lots of stuff from them by just playing the game, and then you can just put this stuff for the giveaways. That's my idea on this challenge. So basically, you can help me out, you can go through my ref, you can play the game, you will get stuff from the TOYGERS. You're just going to put your address and they will just send you the stuff as soon as this stuff is going to be announced. And then on top of that, I will get a little bit points from you, to be exact with 9% of what you daily going to farm. And those points, which I already have, as you can see, like quite a bit, I have 5,660,000 yacht points, and all those points I'm going to use for the giveaways on this channel. Well, maybe not all, because at the end of the day, I want to have something from it as well. So I want to get like some toy or some hat and hoodie. But the rest, I will just basically do giveaways, but I can't really tell much more about this, just simply because I don't know yet. But stay tuned for this one, obviously. Super exciting project. I hope, guys, you will enjoy this as well. And I hope it's not going to be total fuck up, because right now we just have the announcements, right? So lots of people might be skeptical, but it is what it is. I'm just super excited about this project, and I want to see they are going to deliver or not. Anyway, right now we're just gonna jump to the lesson number 15, and it's going to be fine tune and customize. So let's just do it. Listen. I hope the mic is gonna grab the voice from the tablet.
Fine-tuning and customization. Today, we're going to dive into the world of fine-tuning and customizing your images using Midjourney. Imagine having the power to perform complex edits and adjustments with the precision of Photoshop, all within Midjourney's intuitive interface. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to adjust settings for precise image control and execute complex edits effortlessly. Let's unlock the full potential of your creativity. Fine-tuning your images can transform a good artwork into a masterpiece. Midjourney can adjust various settings to achieve the perfect look and feel. Let's begin by exploring the basic adjustment settings. These include brightness, contrast, saturation, and sharpness. Mastering these will give you control over the finer details of your images. Imagine you're editing a photo to enhance its clarity and vibrancy. You'll need to adjust the brightness to bring out details in the shadows, increase the contrast for depth, boost the saturation for vivid colors, sharpen the image for crispness. Practicing image adjustments. Let's practice adjusting these settings using Midjourney. Now it's time to put your knowledge into practice.
Okay. Okie dokie. So what we have? Imagine, blah, 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 blah. Everybody knows. Imagine, blah, blah, blah. And we have good prompt. was the best prompt ever. Imagine, blah, blah, blah. Okay. I already have that cheap.
Complex edits beyond basic adjustments. Midjourney allows for complex edits that can mimic advanced photo editing software like Photoshop. Let's explore these advanced techniques. Now it's time to put your knowledge into practice.
Blah, 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 blah. Blah, 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 blah. that was my thought. Blah, 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 blah. Amazing. Okay, what was that anyway? A portrait of person. Edit, remove, blemish. It's like never going to happen. This is like fake one-on-one, but they're trying to basically introduce us how to prompt, but that's never going to happen. Like a portrait of person, and it's going to be some detailed face of female. So just what I'm trying to say is everything obviously is prepped already and programmed, so there's never going to be different picture here. It's always going to be the same stuff.
Monetizing your skills. Now that you can fine-tune and customize images like a pro, it's time to monetize these skills. Offering photo editing and retouching services can be highly lucrative. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and your own website are great places to start. Now it's time to put your knowledge into practice.
Well, I think
start applying what you've learned or skip for now.
I will give you the advice for free this time. Normally when I'm gonna be rich and famous, that's gonna be like hidden projects. But what you can do, you can just use some clever AI tool, create lots of pictures of the same female, put them on Instagram, and put affiliate links to that, and just sell the shit out, because you are going to be ambassador of Swedish model, and just put some info, something which, I don't know, gonna be genuinely like, I was poor girl, but right now, fuck those. I mean, I just have some strange idea. I will do this, like, imagine that, like, fuck me, do like super, like, it's probably plenty of those channels right now, but like, imagine just create right now the channel, and that's gonna actually make money and profit. And like your channel, which like in my case, I'm trying to do like newses from the Web3 games. Fuck knows, maybe at some point I will have some people here who will like what I do, but genuinely, we're living in so fucking retarded world. So this is what I'm talking right now, to create the Instagram profile with some hot, sexy girl, and it's not really problem at all. There's like fuckloads of AI tools, and probably you will need to spend around maybe $20 to get like Pernamet tool. I'm not talking about a subscription, like genuinely believe I can get something for $20 like that. So will be professional tool, AI tool to create a model of a girl, and that's going to be always the same girl, obviously, with a different clothes. And I'm not talking about she need to be naked or anything like that. Like genuinely, we're just gonna create the profile to promote the clothes, supplements, and some other stuff. And basically, you can just create the profile. You can just add the professional website to it, which is like literally 5 minutes, because with the WordPress right now, you can just choose the layout, and you don't need to really much fuck around, because at the end of the day, like I said, we're living in so retarded society world right now. Like, if you can promote just sexy girl with stuff, there's no fucking way you won't have the customers. So that's why it's strange to me, but it is what it is. So I think I need to actually genuinely create that project as well, so actually make money from some stuff which I genuinely don't give a fuck, to basically do the stuff which I'm super happy and excited to do, like playing the games and doing some basics lessons from AI to genuinely be able to live on it. Because yeah, this is the crazy world these days. Like probably thousands of portals right now are like AI generated, and I've came across, I'm just gonna finish this in a minute, but I just came across like I think yesterday, I don't know, something like this week. I've seen it actually how people running already the what's that famous website, OnlyFans, right? So there was actually guy sitting, like I'm talking to you right now, but there's the AI which actually basically changing you into super hot girl, right? So and people don't give a fuck. The just society wanna make money, and there's like tons of right now on websites, especially Instagram accounts. Just basically everything is just to make views, and we are getting to the era where actually there is no difference between looking at the professional AI and looking at the physical women, physical body, like girl or man, whatever, right? So which is fucking crazy, but it is what it is. So beware of what you're watching or who you're talking with, because you might find out this is like this like might be, and you might end up like super strange feeling, and also crazy thought. Imagine that, to create the channel to combine like million of people, and then just basically at some point just came up with your face, I got you, motherfuckers. Well, they're not gonna do it because they're just gonna make money from those idiots, but I'm just saying that'd be like fucking hilarious. Or maybe I know I'm gonna create this like starting next month, and I'm not fucking with you, like, because this is like super easy to do it, and then I will do on my channel the fucking updates and reviews of this. How many idiots are subscribing? That's fucking amazing. That's oh fuck me. Okay, never mind though. What is your first step to start your graphic design career? Well, that's gonna be my first step. Create fake Instagram profile and fucking put as much as possible affiliate programs from wealthy affiliates to fucking make money. That's a good. Actually, that's so good. So I need to write down this. Remember, that's the tip 101. Always when you have a good thought, even, I don't know, you're shitting right now, or you're doing whatever, just instantly write down, because you might end up forgetting that thought, and you don't wanna forget the thought, which ultimately will bring you money. So fake Instagram profile with hot girl. That's going to be actually, it's I'm not really even wanna create this to have like a monetary value from it. You're always learning some new skill, and that's the most important part. Like, people don't realize, like, it's cool to implement some ideas, not because of making money. Like, okay, yeah, genuinely, like, if that's gonna work out, fuck me, that's great. But like, it's still, I will need to learn something, right? I will need to search for that tool. I will learn how to create that profile, and I might end up actually creating another profile, which is going to be about, for example, some comics themes. Like, I really like the Cyberpunk and Blade Runner, so, and Hot Women's, I like to watch the pictures as well, so like, it's nothing wrong with that. So combining like some joy, I'm not talking like joy I'm enjoying, but like a joy, like android from the Cyberpunk, right? It's Blade Runner, you know what I mean. So like, kind of like sexy androids, but they don't need to be naked or anything, just sexy women with that Cyberpunk theme or Blade Runner theme, and just do like an Instagram account. And why not? I might end up doing this, and that's actually that's actually a fucking good idea. So cyberpunk plus Blade Runner Instagram I just put it like hot girls or whatever. So Righty. So. Yeah, it's 15 minutes. I thought I'm talking already like half an hour. Anyway, what's your first step to start your graphic design career? So we already know what's going to be my first step. Just gonna fucking create one fake account and see how it goes. Create a portfolio showcasing your best edited and retouch. I mean, I can't focus right now. I'm just thinking about those cyberpunk tits. So actually, I managed to hit the proper one. So create a portfolio showcasing your best edited and retouch images. Oh yeah, they're gonna be.
Consistently deliver high quality work. Soon build a reputation as a top photo editor. The more services you offer, the more you can earn. Conclusion. Congratulations. Mastered the art of fine-tuning and customizing images with Midjourney. Learned how to adjust settings for precise image control and perform complex edits. Discovered how to monetize your skills by offering photo editing services. Next steps. Next lesson, we'll explore advanced composition techniques to create stunning marketing materials. Keep practicing and refining your skills.
Alrighty, okay. So it was a little bit off topic, although I think, well, we are within the creating pictures, right? Creating images. So I think it's not really much off topic. Actually, you can learn something from that. I hope. So yeah, definitely that's the way to go these days, to create some fake accounts as well, because at the end of the day, it's like lots of people might think about this. Lots of people are not going to take advantage of this because they're just too fucking lazy, because it's not about to being smart. It just simply, it's simple as that. Like you're just going to ChatGPT, you're just searching for the tool that's gonna give you the name of the tool, the website, and you're just creating the profile. You can just create this, just starting basically today, and I'm definitely going to try out this because why not? Okie dokie, thank you very much guys for watching. See you guys in the next video. Stay tuned for the updates of the fake profile. That's gonna be fucking crazy. I like the idea though. And that was the lesson number 15, I believe so. I'm just gonna check. 16, 17, 18, yeah, number 15. So just 3 more lessons from Midjourney. Then I'm just gonna make, I think, break. Or maybe not, we'll see. But definitely it's going to be 2 more programs and then lots of other courses. So yeah, just stay tuned. I just want to basically finish lots of stuff from that Coursiv course. And then I will jump into the wealthy affiliate. Excuse me. I don't know. I just drink the tea and then just burping on. So courses, excuse me, like AI courses, basic courses. Then we have the wealthy affiliate to how to open your brand and build your brand. And then ultimately, I might carry on with the courses, but if I'm not gonna find any like cheap or free courses, I will just carry on basically with web-free games and apps, because that's what I really wish and do like as a full-time streamer YouTuber. So thank you very much guys one more time for watching. See you guys in the next video. Take care and bye, and create your fake profiles to make money, remember.